Hey everybody, this is Brad from the Stock and Options Room here at the ShadowTrader.net Live Trading Suite. And the stock I want to share with you today, Humana. Humana is a medical and specialty insurance company here in the United States. And as you can see, the stock is approaching 52-week lows. And not too long ago, this stock was almost $540. And, you know, it's obviously in a downtrend for a reason, ladies and gentlemen. Let's face the facts. I did a little research. Earnings per share have come down. Return on equity has come down a little bit. So the stock is obviously pricing in the decrease that this company has shared with its earnings over the past couple quarters. But at some point, the stock will get cheap enough. And traders and investors around the world will say, okay, Humana is now worth a buy. It was worth a buy here in April and May of earlier this year, had a fairly decent bounce back up to 400, and obviously now it's rolling back over towards this 300 area. 298.61 is really the bogey that I'm watching. That's the 52-week low. So basically what I want the stock to do is, you know, go somewhere close or even take out 298.61 and then go back up, right? As soon as it takes out the low and then goes back above, there's a long trade. And whatever that low happens to be, that's your stop. We call these railroad trades, right or right out, okay? So again, when a stock is coming down to longer term support, takes out the prior low, but then all of a sudden buyers step back in, that is a signal, okay? Now what happens if it goes below 298.61 and then keeps going? Well, then obviously it should be obvious there's no trade, right? We only want to take this trade if it, you know, comes down, even if it goes to 299.5 and all of a sudden the next day, right, it starts lifting, that could be a buy. So I'm not saying it's definitely going to 298.61, but that would be the most ideal situation. Have the stock come down, take out that low, and then go back up. Again, if it takes out 298.61 and keeps going, then there's no trade. If it goes below and back up, it's a railroad trade because it's a right or right out trade. So if it does go below 298.61, whether that's 298 even, 297, it doesn't matter. Whatever that low is, once the stock goes back above that key level, that's a long, okay? So these kind of trades I like very much. Some of the other ones recently, like a Zscaler as an example, this was a stock at 52-week lows. You know, that worked out pretty well. Starbucks was another stock not too long ago that we bought at 52-week lows at support. So even Nike was a trade down here at 52-week lows, kind of bounced around the bottom there. And then, of course, there was some news about the CEO leaving. I'm flat to stock, but anyway, the point is Humana, you know, at support, we call that demand, right? Traders will look to buy the stock because they feel it has become cheap enough, and all the fundamental data, you know, the numbers behind all the earnings are going to be priced in. The other thing I'll leave you with real quick is at the end of the month, the other reason why I really like this is on September 30th, there's going to be an 88.5-cent dividend that is going to be paid as well. So obviously when the stock goes ex-dividend, it should drop by the amount of the dividend. But we've seen many times where stocks recover quickly, especially when they come down towards 52-week lows. So anyway, I hope it helps. Humana, that's the trade of the day. So have a good one and see you soon. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Adonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.